Heather, Mayor of the City of Mitcham, and what started out as an idea to get solar panels for Mitcham residents has turned into something way bigger and way more exciting.
We used to pay over $400 a month, but now we get paid for our electricity.
We've helped our local clubs.
This initiative is just great for our footy club and should save us a fair bit of money.
We've cut costs for the whole community, all while helping our beautiful environment. Here's how Mitcham Community Energy is creating affordable, renewable energy for everyone. We've done 3 bulk buys with the community, but it hasn't just been solar. Almost everyone in the program has also bought a battery, and they've had choices about how to pay for it.
We couldn't pay up front. It was a real barrier for us, but we could pay on a fixed monthly plan.
Because we didn't have to pay up front, we were able to get our solar and battery much earlier.
I'm thrilled to bits. I've had no electricity accounts to pay since I installed the battery, and I'm even in credit.
Now, a battery's great for the house owner.
It means we can use our solar energy at night.
It means we have electricity even when the grid goes down.
And we're doing the same across our council buildings, installing solar and batteries. It means we'll be able to run 100% of our council's energy needs off our own solar. Our sporting field lights, our buildings, our street lights. How good is that? We're also rolling this out to community groups who use council facilities. Football, soccer, tennis clubs and RSL.
The money we can save on our energy we can put towards other resources in our footy club, especially our junior program.
But there's something even bigger that all these batteries allow, and it's really quite amazing. All of the batteries in Mitcham are part of what's called a virtual power plant.
We're a power plant.
We're a power plant!
We're a power plant!
We're a power plant!
So imagine a coal-fired power plant in another state has a problem and the power grid needs more energy. Batteries in Mitcham come together to send energy to the grid to fix the problem. 100% renewable energy to the rescue. This helps prevent blackouts, it's better for the environment and...
If the grid uses my battery's power, I get paid for it.
And the City of Mitcham also make money from the virtual power plant, which benefits everyone in the community. We're so proud of what we've achieved here at Mitcham that we're sharing our approach with other councils across Australia. Because with Mitcham Community Energy,
Our community gets cheaper green energy.
Even when they can't afford to pay up front.
Our sporting clubs get cheaper green energy.
and the community save millions while supporting the state government's goal of being 100% renewable by 2027.
And all of this will prevent over 2,600 tonnes of carbon emissions every year.
It's literally win,
Win!
Win.
Win! Win!
Win!
win.
Goal! Oh, I mean win!